All right, in this revision, we are going to look at a question in Science Paper 1, Physics. The year is 2022. The question we are considering is question B3. Okay, so let's go through this question. The question is saying figure B3.1 shows the graph of a car that moved from a residential area into town. So this is the graph. The car started from here, A, it went to B went to C, then C came down to D. All right. This is the velocity. This in this direction is velocity. This time in this horizontal, it is time. Now, the question A is saying describe the motion of the car from A to B. So what do you think is the motion of the car when we have a graph showing like this from A to B? We describe it as a uniform acceleration. So the motion of the car moved at uniform acceleration. That was uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Not yet. 14. About 28. Mm-hmm. No. Question BC. You can manage to do so. You can manage. BC. Question BC. Describe the motion of the car from B to C. B to C, that was constant velocity. Constant velocity. The velocity was not changing, so it was constant velocity. The motion of the car on BC, that was constant velocity. CD, the car is decelerating. That is the opposite of acceleration. That was uniform deceleration. Uniform, we can use the word retardation, or uniform deceleration. Deceleration. Okay, or simply uniform retardation. Okay, what was the velocity when the car was moving with a constant velocity? So what do you think was the velocity when the car was moving with a constant velocity between B and C? Okay, so the velocity, what was the acceleration when the car was moving with a constant velocity? So whenever a car is moving with a constant velocity, it simply means that the acceleration is 0. There is no acceleration. These were the answers to the question B3 from Science Paper 2, Science Paper 1, 2022 GCE.